Demystifying weather forecasting. Understanding the process. Introduction. Weather forecasting plays a vital role in our daily lives, helping us plan activities, prepare for changing conditions, and mitigate risks associated with extreme weather events. While weather forecasts are readily available through various sources, from mobile apps to television broadcasts, the process behind creating these predictions is complex and multifaceted. In this guide, we'll unravel the intricacies of weather forecasting and explore the methods and technologies used to predict future weather conditions with increasing accuracy. Data collection. Weather forecasting begins with the collection of vast amounts of data from various sources, including weather stations, satellites, radar systems, weather balloons, buoys, and aircraft. Instruments measure parameters such as temperature, humidity, air pressure, wind speed and direction, cloud cover, precipitation, and atmospheric composition at different altitudes and locations. Numerical weather prediction, NWP. Numerical weather prediction is a mathematical modeling technique used to simulate the behavior of the atmosphere and generate forecast models based on physical principles, equations, and empirical data. Meteorologists input observational data into sophisticated computer models that divide the atmosphere into a three-dimensional grid and calculate future weather conditions at discrete time intervals. Model initialization and run. The process begins with model initialization, where initial conditions, such as temperature, humidity, and wind fields, are entered into the model based on observed data from weather stations and satellites. The model then runs simulations forward in time, using mathematical algorithms to predict the evolution of atmospheric variables over hours, days, or even weeks. Ensemble forecasting. Ensemble forecasting involves running multiple simulations with slight variations in initial conditions, model parameters, or input data to account for uncertainties and assess the range of possible outcomes. By analyzing the spread and consistency of ensemble forecasts, meteorologists can estimate the likelihood of different weather scenarios and provide probabilistic forecasts. Data assimilation. Data assimilation is the process of integrating observational data into numerical models to improve the accuracy of forecasts and correct errors in initial conditions. Sophisticated algorithms adjust model outputs to match observed data, ensuring that forecast models reflect real-world conditions and trends. Interpretation and analysis. Meteorologists interpret model outputs, analyze forecast data, and identify patterns, trends, and potential weather impacts based on their expertise, experience, and knowledge of local and regional climatology. They consider factors such as atmospheric dynamics, synoptic weather patterns, geographical features, and historical weather data to generate forecasts tailored to specific regions and timeframes. Dissemination and communication. Weather forecasts are disseminated to the public through various channels, including television, radio, websites, mobile apps, and social media platforms. Meteorologists communicate forecast information in a clear, concise, and accessible manner, highlighting key weather parameters, hazards, and impacts to help individuals and communities make informed decisions. Conclusion. Weather forecasting is a dynamic and interdisciplinary process that integrates observational data, mathematical models, computational algorithms, and expert analysis to predict future weather conditions with increasing accuracy. By harnessing advanced technologies, leveraging observational networks, and refining modeling techniques, meteorologists strive to provide timely and reliable forecasts that empower individuals, businesses, and governments to prepare for and respond to changing weather patterns and mitigate risks associated with extreme weather events. So the next time you check the weather forecast, remember the intricate process behind those predictions and the dedicated efforts of meteorologists to keep us informed and safe in an ever-changing atmospheric environment.